Hi everyone, it's Donna from Spaceman Papercrafts, and this is the final Halloween in August collab video. There was a excuse me guys, there was a bunch of us taking part, about 18 I think. Excuse me. All the links that you'll need are in the description bar below, so you can go and check out everyone else's videos. But this is the last one. I've really enjoyed this collaboration. It's got me to use my Halloween bits and pieces and get some ideas together, and yeah, I really like what I've come up with over these 4 videos. But this last one is just this tiny little treat bag. It's dinky, and you can seal it with staples or with a banner, and I'll show you how to do that. But yeah, so in this video I'm going to show you how quick it is, and we're going to make 3. Okay, so you need to bring in your scoreboard and your piece of paper. Now your paper is 6.5 by 4.5. Okay, and on the 6.5 inch side you're going to score in 4 places. You're going to score at at 2, at 3, at 5 and at 6. Okay, and then you're going to rotate it and score once at 1. Okay, so I'm going to do that again with the other pieces that I've got. And then I'm just going to bring in my bone folder. So I'm going to fold and burnish the score lines on all of them. These are super quick and so cute when they're put together. They are really sweet. I'm just going to get my little scissors, and where you've got this 1 inch score line at the bottom, there's a little small rectangle. You want to cut that off, and then you want to cut in just slightly at an angle, just to notch in on that flap there, just to make it nice and easy to fold. And then all you're going to do is cut up the other 3 score lines. Okay, so you're left with that. What we're going to do is, this will fold flat like this, so we're going to put some adhesive on this small panel. Okay, so you can use your wet glue, you can use tape runner, you can use something strong, because this is what's the only thing that's really holding the bag together. So let's just fold that down, and then we're going to do that on all the others. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is take our bag, and we're going to push in 3 of the sides, decide which one we want out. This one I cut a little bit, oops, let's cut this one a little bit straighter, that's probably better. Yeah, that looks better. So all you need to do is fold in 3, and then some wet glue on the bottom, and then you take your bone folder and just push it in and press that down to help it. And then we'll do the same with the others. 4th. So again, just put your bone folder in and give it a bit of a press down. Now you've got a choice here. You can either seal it like that, or you can do what I did and pinch in the ends, and this gives you a really cute little bag. Before I do that, I want to put my treats in it, so just bear with me a second. Okay, so I've got these little fruit winders, and they'll fit in just nicely in our little bag. And then what I'm going to do actually is take my staple gun and just staple it closed, and then I'm going to do that with all the rest of them as well. Pop a staple in there. Okay, so to finish them off, I have this banner punch from Stampin' Up that I've had for a while, and I've cut some strips of cardstock at 1 inch by 6 inches. So I'm just going to put those in and banner cut both ends. If you don't have a punch, you can do it using scissors. I do this because it's easy, and because I sometimes don't get my banner corners right and they go a bit off. So now what you need to do is fold these in half, like so. Match the ends up. Now on the other ones I did 1.5 inch banners, and I think they looked a bit too big on these ones, so I thought the 1 inch looks a little bit neater. So then all you do is pop a little bit of glue on your banner on both ends, slide it over the top and just stick it down. It covers up that staple as well. So this one will go on this one. I don't want the same cardstock with the same treat pouch. And make sure that's in the centre. And the last one, again, I'm just going to put some glue on. And then line this up. And then I cut out, well, I've coloured and cut out some cute little characters from a lawn fawn set that I've got called Costume Party. There's a little witch, a little boy dressed as a pumpkin, and a little mummy there, which is really cute, I think. So I think I'm going to put the witch on this one. So I think I'm just going to have her actually maybe down at the bottom. So I'm just going to pop some glue on her and pop her down at the bottom there. And I think I'll have the mummy on this one. So again, a bit of glue. That's the front. Put the mummy on that one, and then the little boy dressed as a pumpkin I'm going to put on this one. So there you are, guys. 3 little treat bags done super quick. I'll bring in the other ones to show you. I got some little monster stamps on these. These don't have anything in. These were just the prototypes that I made. So yeah, so I really hope you like these. I really hope you give them a go as well, because they are super easy, really quick, and it's something you can get the kids involved in as well. And it's a nice way to give out treats at Halloween. I don't know if you get many trick-or-treaters. It varies with us every year, actually. Sometimes we get loads of sweets and we hardly get any, and then sometimes we get loads and have to run back out and get more sweets. So it varies with us, but I think this year I'm going to be making these, and then whatever doesn't go for trick-or-treaters, my grandkids will have these then. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Thank you for watching all 4 videos in this collaboration, this Halloween and August collaboration. Thank you so much, Sam, for organising it. It's been so much fun. I've really enjoyed it. So thank you so much again, guys, for watching, and take care. Lots of love. Bye for now.